Hi, I'm Shweta from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activities we've lined up for your child in this month's box. This month's theme is Ocean Explorer. There are 5 amazing activities in the box. My Aquarium, Save the Treasure, My Submarine and Periscope, Treasure Hunt and Educational Activity Maps. The first activity is My Aquarium. In this activity, your child will decorate and create a beautiful aquarium using colors, seashells, cutouts, colored sand and much more. This activity will improve their motor skills and creativity skills. The second activity is Save the Treasure game. In this mysterious memory matching game, your child will race against the time and find all the treasures hidden inside the castle. This activity will improve their observation skills, problem solving skills and social developmental skills. Third activity is Submarine and Periscope. In this activity, your child will build a submarine model and a working periscope and understand its working. This activity will improve their motor skills, academic skills and analytical skills. Fourth activity is Treasure Hunt. This multi-activity will take your child on a treasure hunting adventure to various exciting places using mysterious magnifying glass that can show invisible objects. This activity will improve their motor skills, numerical skills and analytical skills. Fifth activity is Educational Activity Mats. There are right and right activity mats with 8 engaging activities that will keep your child engaged for a long time. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, cognitive skills and academic skills. You will also receive 20 downloadable worksheets via mail every month. If you have not taken your Xplorabox subscription, then take it now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make them smarter and sharper.